Hello, this is Kaitlyn from the Cape May County Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to needle felt your very own spooky bat. We're going to start out by making a ball. Fold in your wool as tightly as you can and start poking it with a coarse needle until it shapes up. Keep going until it's almost hard to poke into. Next we're going to be working on the two ears, so we're going to take a small bit of wool and make a triangle shape out of it. Now we're going to attach the ears to the head by poking through them with our needle. Time to make the wings. We're going to start by folding up a larger piece of wool and poking it until it's flat. Pinch one end together to make more of a triangle for the part that sticks to the body. Once it's a little more solid, you can start shaping it up. Make sure to keep checking your sizes until you're happy with the outcome. To make the arched points of the wings, I'm using needles to hold them in place. Now I'm going to start adding the details. I'm using a little bit of white for the eyes. Use your fingers to roll it into a ball. Make sure you like the placement before you continue. Now we're going to do the same thing with red for the pupils. I'm using a light pink for the nose. For the teeth, I'm going to start by making a sort of oval. Now I'm going to take a thin piece of black and put it between the white oval for the teeth. Attach the wings just like you did the ears. And now you've got a cute little spooky bat. Thanks for watching! If you want even more fantastic content, check out our Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube at CMC Library.